Hi everyone, welcome to this course on what's in the placenta. During the pregnancy, the placenta is responsible for the production of many hormones, nutrients, and minerals. They're all present in the placenta. Some are actually produced by the placenta at the time of delivery, which is really interesting. The first one we're going to talk about is oxytocin. So one of the most important studies on oxytocin reserves show that oxytocin is produced by the full-term placenta. It's a primary hormone that minimizes maternal hemorrhage at birth by stimulating contractions, causing the placenta to safely and naturally detach from the uterine wall and to be expelled during that third stage of labor. Estrogen is a sex hormone that encourages the production of prolactin and causes the uterus to grow and stretch as the baby matures. It also stimulates healing, supports the kidneys, and aids in mental clarity and emotional balance. Progesterone is another sex hormone. It helps to support reproductive organs as well as the immune system. It can also decrease anxiety, improve cognitive function, and boost energy. Prolactin is a really valuable hormone secreted by the placenta and actually many other parts of the body. And its main job is to increase milk production. It serves over 300 functions within the body, but as I said before, its main function is lactation. The human placental lactogen hormone, which is also known as HPL, is a hormone that's released by the placenta, and it stimulates the production of prolactin, which is the hormone we just talked about. It's the one required to produce breast milk. HPL also regulates both maternal and fetal glucose, protein, and fat levels. Prostaglandin is an overlooked and underappreciated hormone that's produced during labor and delivery. It's also found in almost every tissue of the body and is needed for many functions throughout. It helps to start the labor process and reduce bleeding where the placenta was attached to the uterus by helping the cells of the uterine wall to regenerate. It will also help reduce inflammation and assist with cell regeneration in the case of a vaginal or rectal tear. So prostaglandin really does play a pretty major role in the labor delivery process. In the last trimester, the placenta begins to secrete a corticotropin-releasing hormone, or which is called CRH, and this enables the mother to mentally and physically handle extreme amounts of stress. By the time of birth, most mothers have up to 3 times their pre-pregnancy levels of CRH, so it increases drastically at the end of the pregnancy. Thyrotropin-releasing hormone, or TRH, is also known as thyroglobulin, and it's a releasing hormone. It stimulates the production of prolactin via the hypothalamus gland. TRH stimulates, supports, and improves thyroid function, improving energy as well as mental clarity, and it's known to have antidepressive and anti-suicidal properties in it as well. Thyroxin is the main hormone that's produced by the thyroid. It plays a vital role in overall function of the thyroid, and too much of this hormone will result in hyperthyroidism. Too little of it will result in hypothyroidism. So it really plays a big role in thyroid health in general. It's really cool that it's in the placenta, which means that mother and baby both get to benefit from it. So next we're going to talk about serotonin and vitamin B6. The serotonin-rich placenta helps to regulate sleep patterns, and serotonin levels also aid in balancing weight, mood, and they contribute to clearer cognitive functioning. Serotonin production is dependent on the body's vitamin B6 levels, which the placenta is also very rich in providing. Vitamin B6 is actually required for over 100 different enzyme reactions within the body, and vitamin B6 is just one of the water-soluble vitamins that are in the placenta. The placenta is full of A and B vitamins, as well as vitamin C, vitamin D. These are useful in replenishing depleted body stores. It's also very full of fatty acids, amino acids, and glucose stores. It's always amazing to think about all the different things, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and hormones that are in the placenta. It's just mind-blowing. It's amazing. There are 4 important minerals known to be present in the placenta: copper, iron, selenium, and zinc. Copper's main benefit is immune system support. That all of its benefits help strengthen the immune system. Iron is directly affected by copper because copper helps the body to absorb iron. So, iron is also responsible for increasing red blood cells, increasing energy, and improving concentration. So, these two minerals actually work very well together. We're going to talk about selenium and zinc next. Both of these minerals protect the cells from free radical damage, which poses a risk to us all pretty much all the time. Selenium offers thyroid support and improves mood as a result. So, when your thyroid is supported, your mood will increase, your energy will increase. There's a lot of wonderful side effects that take place when you have a healthy, functioning, and supported thyroid. Now, zinc is located in every tissue of the body and is responsible for repair and regeneration if there's been an injury. It's also an anti-inflammatory agent, so the healing process can happen much quicker when zinc is present. The last little thing we're going to talk about is endorphins and opioids. Endorphins are natural pain relievers, and they counter stress by flooding the body with a profound sense of well-being. These compounds biochemically orient the mind to a positive and energized perspective, and the placenta is completely saturated with them. In fact, the concentration of beta endorphins in placental tissue is higher than the levels in maternal and cord blood plasma. The ingestion of the placenta also increases the effectiveness of synthetic opioids. These opioids help reduce stress and create a calm and relaxed feeling without making the brain cloudy and fuzzy. There's absolutely no negative side effect in terms of clarity and overall brain function. These opioids are non-psychoactive, so they actually allow your body to heal and be pain-free without having that psychoactive response. In the next few courses down, we're going to go more in depth into these specific hormones and nutrients, give you a really good idea and a clear idea of how they help during labor, during delivery, during the postpartum period. So you can get a really clear understanding of why they're important and what role they play in each one of those stages.